In this video, I will show you step by step how you can add a product to your Stan Store. So this is a very simple thing to do. Make sure to follow this video step by step so you don't make any mistakes. So the first thing we need to do is head over to our Stan Store and then go to the left hand side bar here, click on My Store. That will then bring you to this page, and if you've got no products, you will then be able to select Add a Product. That will bring you to this page. Now what you want to do is you want to choose the type of product that you want to list, and there is many different ones on Stan Store, as you can see. So we've got stuff like coaching calls, we've got webinars, we've got digital products, a custom product, a recurring membership. So what you want to do is choose the one you want. In today's video I will be selecting digital product. Once you choose the one you want to choose the style, so a button, a call out, and also a preview. You can see what it will look like right here. So I will just select button for now, and then you want to choose an image. So once you choose an image, this will be the thumbnail that people will see when they are viewing your product. So as you can see right here, this is what it will look like. You can go down and you can choose whether you want to, change the text of the button. For me, I just like to leave it as download now or purchase now, something really simple like that, and then you will then be able to click on next to go to the checkout page. From here you can then drag and drop an image onto your checkout page. Now what you want to do is you want to title your product, so this will be sort of whatever course. It could be the YouTube course, YouTube ebook, whatever it may be. And then you want to just add in a description. This can be all the things which are included, a small summary and bullet points of what they will get inside your ebook, inside your course, or inside your digital product. You can add a bottom title if you would like to add one of those, and then as you can see you can then change the text on the call to action button. As you can see right here, it will say purchase. You can change this to buy now, purchase now, whatever you want it to be. And down here is where it is the most important, so this will be the price of the product. You can go ahead and change the price. This price right here is in US dollars, and then you can add a discount price if you want to do that. So as you can see, the overall price is $100. We could say the discounted price is, for example, $80, and then that will then reflect on your product page right here. So as you'll notice, was $100, now $80 with a 20% discount right there. The info that they will collect and that the customer will put in when they are purchasing a product. So name, email, phone number. You can add a field if you want to do that. So you can go ahead and add a text box, and then you can add whatever you want it to be in right there. And then going down right here, upload your digital product. So you want to go ahead and add your ebook, your course, your digital product, whatever it may be. Once you have uploaded that right here, and you are happy with the way that your store looks and your product page does look, you will then be able to click on publish at the bottom right here. Once you click on publish, that will mean that you have added a product to your Stan Store.